Today, I will be preparing two special dishes, a rich and flavorful cowhead stew, followed by the Nigerian classic Edikaikong soup with braccoda fish and roasted goat leg. Let's get started. After washing the cowhead, let's go ahead and season it for boiling. In my own recipe, I will add salt, I will add dry blended pepper, and I will add seasoning cubes. The things missing in this stew is Cameroon pepper, which is optional, thyme, which is important, curry powder, which is important, onions, which is important. Why I forgot to add the above mentioned ingredients because I was filming and cooking, so the work was too much for me. Cowhead is tough, so you have to cook it well, at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. If you know any other method that you can cook cowhead in less than 45 minutes for it to tender, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. I didn't add water. I want the cow leg to steam first so that the seasoning can absorb very well into it. I have already washed the tomatoes and pepper, but I'm trying to cut the tomato so that it won't stuck inside the blade of the blender. Hope that makes sense. I've blended the first set. This is the second set. So after it, I will pour it inside the pot and I will put it on fire for it to steam for a while before I start cooking it. I'm still steaming the cow leg, checking if it is okay for me to now add water to it. Honestly, I forgot to film every other part of this stew because I was so much busy. Our stew is ready. Just look at this beauty. Perfectly roasted, well seasoned. No, I'm not washing it. It's already packed with flavor. I need to find the joint. My ancestors are smiling down on me today. Make way for the almighty braccoda fish. I've washed the braccoda fish. It's time to boil the braccoda fish together with the roasted goat leg, and I'm not adding too much season because the goat leg is already seasoned, so just adding fresh blended pepper to it. You know it's a edikaikong we are making, or vegetable soup, so I don't want too much water in it. I don't want it to be watery. I want it to be thick, so I'm not going to add too much water. Added my red oil. We need much of the red oil in it, so but I'm not going to put way too much, but just this 4 spoon or 3 is enough. My blended crayfish is not left out, so I need to add crayfish enough of it to bring out the flavor and taste. Okay, thank you. But first, let me gist you. I woke up early and rushed to Aja morning market because that is the best time to get fresh vegetable at a good price. My people, I was able to buy fresh ugu and water leaf at a giveaway price. The trick is to get there before 6 a.m. when the sellers just offloaded their goods. Trust me, this is the best way to save money. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying Aja morning market. While I was putting the water leaf and the ogo, I have to remove the bracuda fish because I don't want it to pieces inside the soup. So I later put it back for it to be on top. If you want to enjoy food and save money, visit Aja Early Morning Market, Nepa Road to be precise, and thank me later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you're trying this recipe.